Today we are using the EJ Lift Kit HM406. It comes with everything you require to remove and access cover. Remove the hex head bolts. Then remove the plastic keyhole caps. For one lifting key, insert the short lifting key and turn 45 degrees to lock it into place. Then lift up and backwards at the same time. This will slide the cover out of the frame. For two short keys, insert both keys and turn 45 degrees to lock into place. Using your legs and a straight back, lift the cover up and out of the frame. The cover can then be lifted and safely reinserted back into the frame. For a two-man lift, insert the keys and lock at 45 degrees, then lift up and place the lid next to the frame's edge. EJ also offers a magnetic lifting key which can be used to reduce the grime and grease being transferred from the underside of the cover to the surrounding concrete aprons. Once the circular cover has been reinserted, replace the keyhole caps. Grab the hex head bolts and tighten back into place.